So the van went in for the glow plug originally, ended up being a lot more than that. So cylinders 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 was fine, 2 was fine, 3, which was where the glow plug error was coming up. As you can see, 3's got a pretty hefty bend in it. And then if you put the 4 against a straight one, 4 you can also see has got a slight bend in the conrod. So 2 bent conrods. So we had to have new conrods, new piston rings, new head gasket, new bottom end bearings. Yeah, I mean she's driving lovely now, but didn't see that coming. So while I'm just updating the Halo 9 with some new firmware, I thought I'd also do a quick little video on the new steering wheel. So loving this new steering wheel. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to pick one up. But yeah, really impressed with this. So as usual, AliExpress job. I was going to get one from this country, there's plenty of decent sellers in this country selling nice steering wheels, but to get the carbon fibre one, it was very expensive. I think we're talking sort of 500-600 most people wanted for the carbon fibre one. So I got this one off AliExpress along with the carbon fibre emblem for the centre, and the volume button was also broke on my steering wheel. It snapped the tab, so it kept trying to come out. So got a new volume button that I've just been put in there. That works beautiful. That's nice, now solid. And the steering wheel is lovely to drive with. It's a beautiful steering wheel, and I specifically asked them to put a dark purple stitching in there. So yeah, well happy with that. Beautiful steering wheel. So that's really nice. And digital dash is still going really well, so no problems really with that. That's been going nice. Next up is the gear knob and a new gear bag gaiter, and the update is done, so let's finish that off. But yeah, I'll leave links for that in the description if anybody wants to pick one up. Everybody that's seen it, because this, as my video says, the van's been in the garage for, I'd literally only seen this van for like 1 week in the last 8 or 9 weeks because of the engine repairs. But everybody that saw this steering wheel while it was in the garage, they absolutely loved it. So yeah, I didn't actually think there was anything in the box when it turned up. It was so light, but really happy with that.